Hello, my name is Diego Arias Avilés. Um, I am 34 years old. I am Colombia. I am from Neiva City, but actually I live on Bogota. My family is integrated by my wife. His name is Lorena Suaza, and my daughter of name Salome Arias Suaza. I am a student of program electronic engineering and like me listen to music about the alternative gender, how to I like watching movies science in my house or in cinema, and when I have some time I like cook. I dislike watching TV. I dislike watch the clothes or the crockery. My last travel was to the island San Andres. I go 3 years in a vacation that enjoyed much. Um, my visit at this island was beautiful because the the water was the weather was with the sunny. In general, my routines they were go to the beach, play in the water with my daughter and my wife, eat, drink beer, and enjoy of the sea and the beautiful view. My next vacation will be in beaches of Dominican Republic or on Italy. The first destination because his beach are beautiful and the water is sunny. The second destiny I like because there are much place historic beautiful and beautiful that I will like my visit also because I have family in this country. Thank you.